style music, some made in Hawaiʻi music. The song is called Ku'uhome, a song I have written for the different places I have lived and resided in my life. And as I was writing this song, I had realized that I was actually writing a memoir for my father wherever we were living with him. And it became more special to me as I share part of my home. I also share part of my life and my father as he passed away not too long ago. Let's get it going. A song called Ku'uhome. Let's go. Henani ku'uho o mina ole ka'aina hano hano ka puhihewa Henani ku'uho o mina ole ka'aina hano hano ka puhihewa Lea nano ka'i lohana Ke kahea maia na ai hui hui Lea nano ka'i lohana Ke kahea maia na ai hui hui Unui ama leo hoe Hawane o ke kai haona na hui He ui mai a ka hau e Ke kai a mai a na rai hui hui He ui mai a ka hau e Ui mai a ka lai ki lohana Haina ia mai hana ka puhana E lohana ka te ka lai ki lohana Ka lai ki lohana Ka lai ki lohana Original style music on song called Ku'uhome. We're releasing that song next month. Actually, we're gonna try for the Hokus next year. So we're gonna share some of those songs with you guys right now.